Hi guys, welcome back to the Most Wanted Staycation series. Why do I call this a staycation series but not travel series? Because we are not actually traveling somewhere. We just wanted to change environment, and when we can't travel, we are not able. We don't have a long time to travel out. We do wanted to change an environment just to relax ourselves. So we'll go out of our home. Then we'll go to like a staycation. Just for a weekend, but we do believe that there are a lot of nice properties that we can show you here in Kuala Lumpur, and we have actually stayed in quite a few of them, and we decided to actually film this for you because we feel like the properties are really beautiful, and if you are coming to Kuala Lumpur for travel, this will be a nice place for you to stay. So this time we wanted to show you around Hilton Kuala Lumpur. Actually, this is our third time staying here, and the first and second time we actually stayed here during the COVID period. Nothing much has changed actually, but it is still a really nice property where it's very near to our transportation hub, which is KL Sentral. And actually, you can take train to the airport or going to other states, and it's very convenient for locals, and also if you're a foreigner coming here for travel, it's very convenient for you as well.
Wow, this is a very nice view over here. So this is the lake view. Very nice view today, and it's a sunny day. So the lake you're looking over here is actually our Perdana Botanic Garden. You see there's a statue over there as well. Very nice. And this is the highway. There's a lot of cars. This is the KL Central area. The Q Central. That's the swimming pool down there. Next door you can see the building right over there, that's Lee Meridian, and this is a share pool between Lee Meridian and Hilton over here. So we just checked into our room, right? Let me show you our room here. As you can see behind me is actually the entrance, the door. So again, this is our third time here in Hilton Kuala Lumpur, and we are very happy to be back because this is actually one of our favorite properties, Hilton properties in Kuala Lumpur as well. Few reasons, right? We will show you in this video what are some of the reasons that we really like this property, right? Of course, first, when you enter, you will see right behind me over here, which is your right-hand side, is actually a mirror, right? As you can see, it's a mirror, but actually behind this mirror, there's something behind it, right? And on the right-hand side, there's nothing much. So let's see what's inside this. So this is the mirror. So when you open it, it is actually a wardrobe, okay? Wardrobe, you have your safety box, you have your hair dryer, and so on, right? And this is a mirror, and next to it there's another mirror again, right? So this one, when you open it, it's actually the entrance to the bathroom, right? And this bathroom is actually a very huge bathroom. So this is the bathroom. As you can see, there are a lot of mirrors as well, and here you see there's a knob here. This is actually the toilet, right? Very spacious toilet where you can take a very peaceful ensuite time, okay? And right here you have the shower room. Over here is actually a very nice shower. You have the rain shower as well, okay? And over here you have the bathtub, which is a very spacious bathtub as well. It's very nice. And here you will see another mirror again. There's a lot of mirror over here, which really make the rooms looks bigger, right? This is also one of the reasons that we really like, and especially during the day when the sunlight reflects on the mirror, it's really nice as well. So when you open up the mirror, this is the wardrobe as well, where you have your bathrobe. They provide 2 bathrobes over here, and also sleepers, as you can see. And when you see behind the bathtub over here, there's another tinted glass door. If you open up, is actually the entry to the room. It's beautiful, isn't it? And in this case, if you open up, you can see the bathroom is so bright, so clean, right? And so spacious as well. This is what we really like in this Hilton Kuala Lumpur. So these are some of the toiletry they are giving. It's actually Crabtree and Evelyn. And we really love their shampoo and also shower gel as well. It really smells really amazing, right? Body lotions, and right here we have the hand wash over here. I remember last time when we were still here, they are still giving these mini bottles where you can bring home with you. I believe right now, you know, they try to be more sustainable, put in the refillable bottle right now. And at another corner of the room, you will see there's a handle here. If you open up, you will see this is the iron and the iron board. And here you have a rack to put on your luggage. So it's really nice, you know. Each of every room actually have their own iron board and iron, so you don't have to call the reception every time you need to use it, because this is a business hotel. If you look out the window exactly right down here, this is the KL Sentral, which is our transportation hub. All the trains will be here, the bus station, there's high-speed rail to the airport as well, and right there, that's another shopping mall, right, which is also accessible by walking. You can hang out there as well. And right behind this building over there, right, if you go through that side, there are the shop lots over there. That's Little India, so you can also hang out that particular area as well over there. So this huge area is actually the Little India area, and that's a loft, which is a Marriott property over there. So soft, and this is actually a down feather, and this is actually a cushion cotton pillow, right? So down feather, it's actually my favorite in Hilton property. So now let's see what's inside their minibar. This is their minibar. First you will see a fridge. Alright, there's a lot of cans, soft drinks, alcohol. Of course, these are with additional costs. And here are the menu, right? Minibar menu. And right here we have some complimentary stuff, coffee and tea as usual. Quality one, Dilma coffee. Next one, here we have glass, mugs. And here we have some snacks, which of course come with additional costs as well. Right, last we have the kettle. So I have a very extensive menu over here, you know, ranging from breakfast, kids menu, appetizer, main, Asian, Western. A lot of selections over here. And the good thing about the dining, it is also 24 hours. So if you get hungry during the midnight, just give them a call. You know, it's always available. Because I'm a Hilton Honor Silver member, that's why I do also receive a cake upon check-in. It's very sweet of them. That's why Hilton Kuala Lumpur, it's always one of my favorite hotels. Let's go and check out the facility they have in this property. So the first one, let's go and check out the gym. So Hilton Kuala Lumpur gym is definitely one of the biggest gym I've ever seen in the hotel, right? They have a really extensive of equipment, gym equipment. They even have a spinning bicycle. They have a yoga room as well. So it's really proper gym. Next, let's check out the swimming pool area, which is a relative small one, I would say, but it's really suitable for the kids where they have slides and also waterfall built in it as well. Around this area, there are actually few properties over here. So exactly the same building over here, right? This is Hilton, and then next to Hilton, there's actually Le Méridien, but they're actually under the same owner, right? And then just right in front of Le Méridien, there's actually St. Regis by Marriott. So there are quite a few, and right opposite our room over here, that's a loft. So there are quite a few international properties over here. And if you go around just 2 minutes away from here, you will arrive at the majestic Kuala Lumpur as well, which is under Marriott property as well. So there are quite plenty of selections over here, and it's also quite easy to access to the city center by train. Over here we have the MRT, right, which is 5 to 10 minutes walk away from Hilton Kuala Lumpur. And if you like to check out some malls, there are more beside this Hilton, and also we have some more nearby like Mid Valley, the Bukit Bintang area, which is a shopping heaven, shopping district area. You can do basically a whole day of shopping trip over there. Earlier, I've also showed you nearby here, there are a few attractions as well. We have the Botanic Garden, and right opposite St. Regis is actually our National Museum, right? It's also about 5 to 10 minutes by walking only. Definitely a very strategic location if you are traveling and trying to save money, without taking too much ride hailing, or taxi, spending too much on transportation. This is the ideal place for you because you can basically go anywhere by bus or by train from here. The room we are staying is actually the deluxe room. It's the second category room. They have an executive room as well. They have suite and so on, but I think this is good enough because it's so spacious. As you can see from our footage earlier, it's so spacious, and we really love the bathroom as well. So we'll be only staying one night here, and then next morning when we check out, we'll be heading to our new destinations, a new place in Malaysia as well. So stay tuned if you would like to know where are we going next after this staycation trip, right? So we're spending another 4 days 3 nights in another new area, in another new place, right? And it's very excited because the last time I went to this place, it was more than 20 years ago. So I believe it has definitely changed a lot. It will be bringing back a lot of memories to me as well. So guys, that's all for our episode today. So if you'd like to stay tuned, if you'd like to know more about our next video, right, do stay tuned, and don't forget to like and share, and also subscribe to our channel, right? And I'll see you guys in the next episode. Ciao, see you guys, bye.